Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day.
It seems like it's always me.
So we talked about selling our home in the summer. Well, let's say we're looking to do a home remodel or get that new kitchen or bathroom that we were looking at doing. The problem is,
Big problem, huge problem.
maybe your house isn't completely level. Well, good news is we can fix it.
Oh, yeah.
But you definitely want to get it fixed before you do any sort of remodel or upgrades to your house. That goes with landscaping too. If you don't, you're going to end up doing it twice and hating it, and then we hate it because typically we'll have drywall cracking. Sometimes we've even had countertops crack and shift during a lift if it's an extreme lift. So if you're gonna do that home remodel project coming up, feel free to give us a call. We can take a look at it and let's get that foundation fixed first and then do the remodel, the pretty stuff later. And that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.